Hello people, today I am going to teach you how to animate photos into fun dance videos using this platform called Viggle.ai offers you two options, web or Discord in this. Case use the web option because it is easier. You take it with your email and that's it. For example, here I did a test and it works fine. And another thing that takes a little time, it will depend on the queue that this platform has to process the videos. For example here. It says right now they are having high traffic. There are many people who are using it. It is regarding the video effect, and for video editing we will use CapCut, which it's free. You can simply put CapCut in Google. Go here to this first link. And then on its main page you can download the software so that you can install it on your computer. And as you see, for example, here you have that option to download to your computer. For Windows and install it. Once ready, then we will need, for example here, a photo of a person in full body, as is here, shows their hands, their feet, all his clothes. He only appears in the photo, and well, that's fine. Here, for example, there is another photo. His hands, his feet, all his clothing appear, and that's it. Then we will use a background to add to the video, a background image. We'll use this in CapCut, and then the video of a person dancing. You can record yourself, or you can record someone who knows how to dance. Or you can also download it from TikTok or Facebook of people who dance to a song. A specific music, for example this one here. That's it. Ready, just do it. What we do is here, for example in character we need to upload the photo. In this case I will upload this one here. That's it. Then on the other side it says motion, which is movement to go up. The video of the person dancing, and that's it. For example, I previously uploaded the photo of this character and the video has already generated me. As you see here, he is dancing and he is fine. In fact, you can see that he is fine. He has his complete clothes. It is fine. You can make the comparison. He has the same clothes, the same features. He's fine. He looks good. Then here, for example, I'm going to use another photo to animate with the same video. Here in background we choose green, model B2, increase quality. Here it says, and then generate. We give generate and that's it. And as you will see, we are in a queue of 23,484. That is, it will take a while, and now we just have to wait. But for now we can start working with this one here that I already have generated. We simply download it here in this download option, and that's it. For example here, I already downloaded it. I simply open the file, and as you can see here it is. That's it. That's it. Then since we already have the video generated, we simply go to CapCut. Here we open new project. For example, that's it. Then here we import background image, video to add to this background image. Then we drag this background image here. And we also drag the video here too. As you see, there are both of them, the video on top of that. Background image, and now what we need is to eliminate that green background so that it matches. The background image. Okay, for that we select the video with the green background, then we go here. To crop, and they're here in this option that says Chroma Key, though you can see it, Chroma Key. They simply select Chroma Key, select the color, in this case this background, and there you'll see. You go here changing the strength, and as you'll see, it already disappears. There, for example, there in the East logo of Viggle also appears. There you can see it here, even if this disappears too. Not much, right? There, I think, and as you can see, for example here, you can also drag that. Photo from here, from the player, and there you can see it. That's it, you can decrease the size. And if I want to duplicate, you just grab the video, Control C, Control V, and that's it. For example, in this case, I want it to be in another position. Select the video, and that's it. Look, there are two there. If you want to grab more, we click there again. Drag the video. Three people. Let's see. We select. I think this is it. We add one more. Here you can add more people. That's it. There, for example. In this case, to make it look like it's in the background, just do it. You decrease the size. We are also going to decrease this one, as if it seems to be in the background. This one, it should be here. We have to send it back. Well, Control Z2. To undo changes, for example, this one here is fine. It's at the bottom. Then you can just decrease it and put it back here. Then the next one, which is this one here, the same. You can reduce its size. Look here. That's it. Then it's like it seems like it's behind the person. This one here a little bit. I'm going to increase it there, and that's it. This one too, and that's it. And what we have is this. Perfect. As you can see now, it's done. We have our video. We have the image background. It looks almost real, and that's it. Simply what we do is, let's go here, export, and that's it. We choose where to export and try the dance video. We leave it with the checks in video export, and if you also want the audio separately, then you click export, and as you see, it is already exporting. I forgot something. I'm going to cancel. I'm going to cancel. I forgot one detail, and that is that when we have duplicated the videos, each video has the audio included, In this case, so as not to pretend that there are many audios in the video. Video. We simply deactivate the audio here and leave it as 1, and that's it. We leave it at just 1 and then we can export. Okay, everything is ready. Let's see the end of the video. Everything is fine. The background image. We give you to export. You can put a title, the address, export to where, the folder. You leave it here as it is. Export videos, export audio, and that's it. You just export and that's it. Let's open the file. As you can see, the folder is generated here. Try the video. We open it. And that's it. As you see, it turned out well. The character in the photo is dancing. That's it. You can upload it to share it with your friends or social networks too. Ready? That would be all in, for example, if we see how our previous video is going. Right now it's still in line. It seems to me it's still in line. Well, it's going to take a little more time, but this is how it will come out. It will not come out the same as this one. If you put it in and download it, and you can continue adding or making other videos. I think that's it.